Hi guys, my name is Alicia Silverthorne, and today we're going to dive into a powerful tool that can be used in instructional design. This tool is called Padlet, as you can see here, Padlet. Whether you're designing for a classroom, a corporate setting, or even an online learning environment, Padlet offers a versatile and user-friendly platform that can enhance both teaching and learning. So let's take a closer look at what Padlet is and how it can benefit instructional design. So we're going to click on Padlet, and as you can see, I'm already logged in, but it's super simple. You just log in with a Microsoft email, Gmail, any kind of that, and it is completely free. There are some upgrades that you can purchase. However, I am showing the free platform. So Padlet is essentially an online collaborative workspace. So it's interactive platform where users can create virtual boards to share content ideas and resources. These kind of boards take on many forms, as you can see here in the gallery. Just to take a peek at what I'm going to show you guys, but these include text, images, videos, links, and anything that is kind of just a dynamic tool for creating engaging learning experiences. So how would you fit Padlet into your instructional design? So there's a few key benefits. First is that it is highly interactive, and I think that is such an important thing to keep in mind when you are teaching online and through virtual experiences. So students can post their responses to like discussion prompts, such as this one here. It's a 3-2-1 summary. There's also a whole bunch of other rosebud thorn. This is a great little tool. Um, for example, the rose is happy, the bud is what you're excited about, and what you're upset about would represent the thorn. This is just one of seriously a never-ending list of activities that you can do. So this level of interaction not only promotes active learning, but also fosters like a sense of community within the learners, such as what discussion boards do right now, but this is just the next level up. Second, Padlet is incredibly collaborative, as we just mentioned. So, in just instructional design, collaboration is key to building meaningful learning experiences. So, Padlet allows multiple users to contribute to a single board, whether it's adding notes, images, or videos. This makes it a great tool for group activities, brainstorming sessions, and peer feedback. So, I'm just going to scroll a little bit more just so you guys can see some other activities that they have here. Another major advantage of this platform is that it is quite easy to use. However, I'm not going to go over that, how to use it, but I will give you guys tools on where you can find tutorials on how to use this platform. So its interface, as you can see, is super sleek and simple, so both instructors and students can quickly start creating and interacting with content. You don't necessarily need to be tech savvy. However, um, not everyone has that techie touch. So if you go here to learn, there are plenty of videos on how to. These are the top 6 videos where you can kind of just get a good base level of understanding. And then if you scroll down, there is a whole bunch of other short and quick tips on how to use this platform. So the last thing is assessment and feedback. So Padlet can not only it doesn't have to be used for content delivery, but also can be used for a formative assessment. You can create boards for students to submit their work of reflections. Let's go to the gallery, such as a book report, biography, before and after of materials, um, a bulletin board of their ideas. Just so many opportunities to assess students in authentic ways, as we learned in LTDE at Houston Christian University. Authentic assessments are really drilled into us, and we truly understand why. Authentic assessments are just a genuine way of finding out where your students are at rather than just giving standardized tests. So this could be a great way if you're not comfortable or you're still learning how to um, provide authentic assessments for your students. This could be a great start for you to do so. Um, but overall, I know this is kind of just a brief overview of this platform. However, I hope that this gives you the nudge to just check it out and hopefully use it, whether it's in the classroom or in any kind of instructional design setting, because I really do believe that this is a great resource and tool that can help both you as the instructional designer and the student. I hope you guys had a wonderful day, um, and enjoyed this kind of overview of Padlet. Thank you.